We are gonna get rid of that pond!
You're out of here.
Hi.
Hey guys, Christopher Yaks here, the Hoosier Pond Guy. I just gotta tell you, we are here. We are at the Nature Center at the Potato Creek State Park, putting in a great donation project to our Indiana state parks. Definitely want to give back to our state. That is what we're here for. That is what we're doing. Promoting that conservation efforts that we have been doing here in 2023. So I just want to let you guys know on a little bit of a backstory. Like, at the Nature Center, okay? Chris, how did you land the Potawatomi, or not Potawatomi, you guys already know, we landed the Potawatomi Zoo job, we already got it done. How did you guys land Potato Creek? How did how did they get in touch with you? Well, one of the naturalists, Jessica Flyers, she got in touch with me and brought me out and showed me this guy right here. I don't even know if you guys can see it. It's that right there. So we've got this plastic pre-formed pond. This is all they had. They had this little itty bitty, there's like a little itty bitty watering hole right there. There it is. There's a plastic tub right there. There it is, full of duckweed, watermeal, all kind. Like, this has got sticks, leaves. Like, oh my god, it's so gross.
Ew. Seriously?
So gross.
Ew. Seriously?
That is so gross.
Ew. Seriously?
Dude, that is so totally gross.
Sign up.
They said they had a little pump, that little pump that fountained and bubbled up and stuff like that. We've got a tree growing here that looks to be like a honey locust or a walnut tree growing right there. We've got all these other plants that are growing right here. We got a power box right there that's dead that needs to be taken out. But this right here is the start of the whole thing. That is right in front of their viewing windows, and they've got feeders all over the place. We took a whole bunch of them out in this area, but this is where they try to attract wildlife in with bird food, and all that kind of stuff, which they've seen my channel. They're fans of the YouTube channel, seen my social media. They wanted me to get involved because they knew that there was a way that we could naturally attract wildlife without the food and the bird seed and all that kind of stuff. So they brought me in. They saw what we had done at Turkey Run. If you guys haven't seen the Turkey Run video series, please do. Called me up, saw what I've done, saw my social media, wanted me to come out, take a look at it, have that conversation of what we could do back here. Had that conversation. They watched the YouTube series. They saw what we did at Turkey Run, and they were like, yes, that is what we want. We want you to come in and do a pondless waterfall, and that's what we're gonna do. And one of the things is I always wanted to give back, and I think our state parks are something that is severely neglected from the private sector. Not a lot of people donate, not a lot of companies donate to state parks and things like that because, state funding and stuff like that. So this was one of the ways that I could promote my company, promote conservation, and promote our state parks all at the same time. So what happened is they bought all of the liner, all of the aquascape materials and stuff like that for us to build it. And we are donating our labor, and we are donating our expertise and our knowledge and our creativity, obviously social media to get this place noticed, all that kind of stuff. And they then also in turn gave us 2 cabins for 2 weeks, so that way we could actually bring our families out here and we could enjoy the park, we can promote the park and all that kind of stuff. So this right here, this little guy right there is the reason for all of this that you guys are seeing. So we're gonna go ahead and get our basin built, and we're gonna get this guy taken out. We're gonna get all of that water and all of that gross, nasty duckweed and all that stuff out of there, and we are gonna get to building the brand new pondless waterfall. Stay tuned, guys. All right, Jared, you ready to get rid of this pond? Ready to get rid of it? All right, let's do it. Get rid of that pond! Blech! Oh yeah, I wish you guys could. Oh man, I wish you guys could smell this. All right, what's going on, guys? Well, it is day number 3. Yeah, day 3 here at Potato Creek State Park. As you can see, we got our machine in place. We got some boulders set, because that's what we're doing today, guys. We're actually getting out of the basin. We got our basin completely set. We got plumbing in. Yours truly hit the electrical line right over there. My bad. But yep, we got our flow cells coming in too. Down here at the bottom, we got our plumbing ran. We got all of our backfill kind of dug out. So once we get out of the basin here, we're actually gonna go up that way because our only access is over here. So we'll build there first and then kind of work our way out of here. Let me show you guys one of the pieces that they brought me. Look at this thing, the beautiful stump that they sent me. I don't know how I'm gonna set it. I don't know if I'm gonna set it like this because it's got the beautiful burled wood through it, or if I'm gonna flip it and let that just kind of be in the stream there. My thought was to put it right there where our blade is and just kind of let it spread out. You know, let that be the weir where this waterfall connects into, and then where this waterfall connects into, and letting that be the focal piece up top, and letting that sit right there in the middle. So water comes in on one side of it, water comes in on the other side, and then we've got our nice big huge drop waterfall right into our basin. So that's the plan. We'll see what happens, but I'm gonna get back to work. See you guys later.